this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you once again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Excuse me. Today I've got something very different. This is going to be Ramen Z. What's Ramen Z? Well, it's miso. They also have a tonkatsu. This is by Yamachan Ramen down in California. And this is gluten-free. Yeah. So what they're doing is they're making konyaku and soy milk noodle, I guess. So I've called it konjac in the past, and I hated konjac. And I'm really hoping, because the gauge of these, as you can see, is very different. If you remember the konjac that I had recently, the konjac I had recently was thick. This is thinner. So, and this is like way different than my normal thing. So, you drain it and you run cold water. You drain it and rinse it, I should say. So draining, okay, and rinsing, and then you're gonna microwave this. So I'm just gonna use it in a measuring cup. That works for me. And then you add 6 ounces of water. That's what we have here. 6 ounces of water. Guess I'll stir it around a little bit. It's weird. Oh, it's got that same texture. I'm probably not going to be a big fan of this. We'll see, though. I'll give it a chance. And then it mentions to add the soup base, which is a Miso scissors. And you microwave it for 3 minutes. So it doesn't say the wattage. And I don't know, if you follow me, you'd know about the whole story about our microwave, how it got weird, and then we got a new one, and then it was all jacked up, and then we got another one, and the front panel of it was all spidered, and like the glass in the front was all busted and cracked, and then we returned it and got another one, and now we got it. But there's only one thing. It's 1250 watts. It's a beast of a microwave, which is exactly what I wanted. I wanted one that could do burly stuff, you know, melt the universe. But the only problem is, it's amazing the difference of power. So you can set the power level from 10 to 90%. So I'm thinking I'm going to put this at around 80% and microwave it for 3 minutes and see what happens. So let's go do that. Why is he in a chair? Okay, so power level. 3 minutes. Here. So 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Power level 80%. Engage. I'm like not even gonna watch it. No, not even gonna watch it. This could be bad. But hey, I got Safeway Monopoly tickets to pull. So we'll see how that goes. What do we have here? We have nothing. Yeah, so it's so nice to be reviewing again. I've been so busy with editing and videos and junk, and looks like that's gonna just happen over and over and over at least, like, there's going to be weeks like this. I don't really have a whole... I mean, honestly, at this exact moment, I have no video to edit. You know how rare that is? Instant winner, more tickets, great. I've got the top 10 Japan list. If it's not out yet, it will be shortly. I was thinking of 50% off Alexia Yukon Select fries. Dude, I don't eat French fries anymore. God, I like French fries. Shutterfly, $25 off or 50% off. That I'll keep. You know? I've been wanting to make one of those Shutterfly books that's full of pictures of finished ramen that I do. And if I can do a 12 by 12, that'd be rad. Instant winner, donut or bagel. I freaking love bagels. God. I know a guy who met... 50 cents off bacon. I know a guy who met Murray Lender. That's pretty cool. Lender's Bagels. Yeah. Pretty cool dude. Instant winner of 5 bonus box tops for education. Oh my god. So, my son, every once in a while, Miles, they put stuff in his backpack. And it'll be like some kind of thing for school that's... Oh my god, I feel like the thing is exploding in the microwave. It's not. But it's like a thing so the school can make money. Like, buy this wrapping paper, buy this, buy that. And it's all expensive, and it's generally not all that great. And what we do generally, instead of like spending $40 on something that we really don't need, like a big can of like nuts, like glazed almonds, like we don't really need, we'll just cut a check and send it to the school for like $15, because to get like $15 out of these things, they've got to sell like, I'm guessing like around $100 worth of crap. And it's mostly crap. So it's like, instead of doing that, it's like, oh, he sold so many chocolate bars. It's just like, just donate money to your frickin' school. Or better yet, I don't know. Well, no explosion. Here's our konyaku. Here's our fine cognac. And I'm guessing it's like violently hot. Oh yeah. And it doesn't really want to separate. That's kind of the downside of this stuff too. It likes to hang out. It's almost got the consistency of eggs, but it ain't eggs. But it's gluten-free, so I mean, if you're dying for a noodly kind of deal and you can't handle the wheat gluten, this is a good option. The reason that they're all like elastic and bouncy and funky, it's tapioca flour. I remember seeing a recipe, oh, it's a Brazilian recipe. It's these tapioca flour biscuits, and made them. And it's just like, it was like eating bouncy glue. It was so weird. So anyways, here's... Come over here. Make sure you can see it. Here's what we got here. Oh, that's hot. Okay. There's a shot of the broth. That's not bad. That I like. And it's red miso, which is a shock. Yeah, I'm impressed. I've had this konjac stuff a couple times now, and I would say of all the times I've had it, this is my favorite. So, and it's not like I'm not dying here. So, but I wish I could get it separated better so it would look nicer in the bowl. There we go. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, see how it comes like that? It's like, maybe I just did something wrong. I'm not going to blame it on the konjac. Maybe I just didn't rinse it long enough. I will say also, I do like the consistency of it. What's the calorie count on this? Where'd it go? There it is. Holy crap. So all of this here is 136 calories? Oh wow, I like it even better now. I can eat this whole thing if I really want to. Well, I'll have another bite. I'm guessing then, if this is like a shirataki kind of thing, all the calories then are coming from the miso. Wow. Mmm. I wonder though if it's like just low calorie or if it's like somehow good for you, or if it's like, let's see, does have calcium. It's got 298 potassium. That's not bad. 6 grams of fiber. Ooh, lolly. 2329 milligrams of sodium, 21 grams of carbs. I mean, yeah, 6 of them are fiber. 4 grams of fat. It's really not bad. I'm impressed with this. Let's put some egg on here. Boom! There's 90 more calories. Oh, you get. I'm sorry, egg. That's just like a little too violent of me. I apologize. Egg and egg. And some spring onion. And some of this over here. And black sesame. And again, I'm going to use more of this habanero shichimi because I think it's really neat stuff. So, there you go. And then, I guess the best thing to do at this point is to let you immerse yourself in the bowl, turn the music up, and send you away to that bad place. Here we go. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. And yeah, go to the chocolate break. Go to www.thechocolatebreak.com and go look at chocolate. There's gluten-free chocolate on there. And go to www.theramenrater.com as well. Go everywhere that I do things. All right, bye.